Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Holy fuck! Holy fuck!
Did you get that on video?
Yeah! Holy shit! He is under the truck. Oh my God! Oh shit. And yep, knew that was coming.
이거 뭐야 이거. 好，后面撞上来了。
I got that on video.
Oh, the toe.
This is going on YouTube.
Oh my God! Holy! Oh my God!
Oh shit, I got all of this shit on camera. Holy shit. Holy shit, I got your ass on camera, motherfucker. You were falling asleep.
So much more satisfying. It gets you so many more followers. So that's good. All right, so anyway,
Jesus.
in no particular order, let me talk a little bit about the Oscars. I didn't see the whole thing. A lot of people were asking me, though, on Twitter.
Don't miss it.
Shit, Kevin, look out, look out, look out!
Fuck. Holy shit.
Look out, look out, look out.
Holy shit. No! Who's got a flashlight? Whoa! Oh! Oh no!
224 westbound. At least 3 or 4 vehicles.
Some of these things kind of got in the way of what Zimmerman's initial statement was, blah, blah, blah. Black woman, and that was the first witness. Well, she gets up, and then during...
To do it today.
By law, you must complete a census form. By the same law, your information is confidential.
Wow. To be counted. Call 1-877-777.
Oh, what do they got to say about that?
With Ryan Seacrest.
Oh, here he goes. Holy shit! That's a lot of fucking rain. Holy fuck.
What do you see? Nothing!
Yeah, but you tell me if you see brake lights or anything up there. Mike, I don't like this. Serious.
Well, turn your headlights on and pull over.
I don't know how. Mike?
Oh, fuck me!
Shit!
That's okay, Nina, it's okay. Oh, fire!
Get out of the car!
I can't get out.
I can't! Come on! Stay! Get out of the car! I can't! I can't!
Randy, come on!
Well, turn your headlights on and pull over.
I don't know how.